Hi everyone there, we are back with another video and I welcome all of you to my channel once again. Okay, so in the last video that was the Harappan civilization part 1, we completed till urban planning. Okay, now if you have not watched that video, so first go and watch the first part, then watch the second part. Okay, so today we are going to start from the features of urban planning. Let's get started without wasting any more time. Features of urban planning. Part 2 Harappan civilization. First point is features of urban planning. Okay, I hope that you can see this part as light is not coming here. Now let's get started. So we will start from the main characteristic of the town planning were the following. Each city was divided into two parts, the raised area called the citadel and the lower town. See, the raised area in the before in this chapter we learned what is a citadel. The raised area of each city was known as a citadel. Okay, and the lower town. These are the two parts. Now the citadel owed its height to the buildings which were constructed on the mud brick platform. The buildings of citadel were constructed on the mud brick platform. Okay. Now, the citadel was separated from the lower town by a wall. It was separated by the lower town by a wall. The important buildings like the Great Bar, the Granary, the Assembly Hall and the workshops were located on the citadel. In exam, we will be asked and we can ask that name the important buildings that were situated on the citadel. So, they were the important buildings like the Great Bar, the Granary, the workshop and the Assembly Hall was located on the citadel. Now, लोअर टाउन हैड द रेसिडेंशियल एरिया का मतलब होता है जहां पर लोग रहते हैं. सो द लोअर टाउन हैड द रेसिडेंशियल एरिया वेयर द पीपल लिव्ड एंड वर्क. सो जहां पर लोग रहते थे और काम करते थे. तो यहाँ पर हमने फीचर्स ऑफ अर्बन प्लानिंग की फर्स्ट पॉइंट मतलब कि ए में देखा कि सिटी को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. एक है सिटैडल और एक है लोअर टाउन. ओके, सो सिटैडल को हम लोग बोलते हैं रेस्ड एरिया और इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं रेसिडेंशियल एरिया. रेस्ड एरिया क्या था? सिटैडल मड ब्रिक प्लेटफॉर्म पे बनाया जाता था बिल्डिंग, और रेसिडेंशियल एरिया मतलब जहां पर पीपल लिव्ड and work. So this was the first point which is known as A. Coming to the second point, the main streets followed a grid pattern running from north to south or from east to west. What happened? The streets of the cities were like this. See, like we make the stairs like this. So here what happened? This part here was a little bit of curve, a curve, Okay. So because of this curve, what happened? The carts was comfortable to pass from here, to turn from here. The carts. Okay. So if the carts will come like this and they will turn smoothly or comfortably. And if the curve was not there, then the cart would come like this. It will come like it will turn like straight and this and this. So this is not so good and it is more dangerous also. So that's why a curve was given here. Okay. Now the third point, the houses at the street corners, houses which was located at the street corners were rounded. Street were rounded to allow cars to pass easily. Like we learned here, it was rounded to pass the cart easily, so that the cars could pass easily from here. Number fourth point, house drains emptied all wastewater into the street drains. Street drains house waste water into the house drains emptied all waste water into the street drain. What happened? All the waste of the house were drained into the drains which were located at the corner of the street. Okay. Now the number five and the last point, the streets cross the main road at right angles. Street cross the main road at the right angle, dividing the city into the square or the rectangular block. So the street cross the main road at the right angle, which divided the city into the square and rectangular blocks. Okay. Now we finished features of urban planning. Now we are coming to the last point, which is known as decline of Harappan civilization. Okay. So Harappan, number C. So decline decline of Harappan civilization. Decline of Harappan started 1800 BC. Around 1800 BC it started. Okay. So the first point, which is A, floods and earthquake. Floods and earthquake. Here we learn. It is held by some scholars that flood in Mohenjo-daro led to the abandonment of the settlements. Now, they have inferred that this formed the fact that the houses and the streets at Mohenjo-daro were found covered with silty clay left by flood water. That means the sand which was left by the flood waters. which had submerged the street and houses. Submerged means street and houses को जो डुबा चुका है. The people of Mohenjo-daro again built up the houses and streets on the top of the debris of the previous building. That means the part of the previous building that has been destroyed, the people of Mohenjo-daro again built up the houses and streets there. But a time came when the improvised Harappans at Mohenjo-daro could not take it anymore and simply abandoned this settlement. So, what happened? According to a famous hydrologist R.L. Rake, such flooding could not be the result of normal flooding in the river Indus. Earthquake might have raised the level of the floodplains of the Indus River. See, according to one hydrologist R.L. Rake, he said what he said, that it was not a simple flood. Maybe earthquake raised there and flood both came together. So that's why the people of Harappan civilization could not bear it, and it was the main reason because of for the decline of Harappan civilization. Okay, now we'll come to the next point, which is B. Just a second. Number B is increase aridity. So, according to renowned historians D.P. Agarwal, the Harappan civilization declined because of increased aridity in the area and the drying up of the river Ghagar. Satluj and Yamuna used to be the tributaries of the river Ghagar, and because of some tectonic disturbances, the Satluj stream was captured by the Indus River and the Yamuna shifted east to join the Ganges. See, what happened here? See, Ghagar, the river Ghagar. First we will run river Ghagar. The two tributaries of river Ghagar were the Satluj and Yamuna. So what happened? The Satluj stream, the Satluj river was captured by the Indus River. It changed its pattern and started flowing in the Indus River, and the Yamuna shifted east to join the Ganges. See, river Ghagar, two tributaries were Yamuna and Satluj. Okay, so Satluj changed its pattern and started flowing in the river Indus, changed its pattern to the east, started flowing into the Ganges or the Ganga. Okay, so what happened? This change left the Ghagar waterless. If the two tributaries change their course or to flow, then what will happen to the main river Ghagar? It will be waterless or it will dry. So this change left the Ghagar river waterless. The ecological disturbance caused by the increased aridity and shift in the drainage pattern led to the decline of Harappan civilization also. We completed second point also. Now we come to the third point, which is C. Deforestation. We all know that what is the meaning of deforestation? Cutting of trees to fulfill our needs, to fulfill the needs of human beings. So, since the Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age culture, enormous quantity of wood was needed to produce bronze. Okay, it was first of all Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization was a Bronze Age. Enormous amount of wood was needed to make or to produce bronze. Okay, I hope you are getting me. Have I made myself much clear? So enormous amount of wood was needed to make bronze. Here enormous quantities of wood was needed to produce bronze. First point, wood was also needed to produce jewelry, to bake bricks, pottery, stoneware, and to make boats and furniture. So this was the use of the wood. It was used to make these things. This could have led to deforestation in a very big amount, deforestation. If the trees will be cut it down, then it will the climatic change of that region, the climates will be changed. So that was also a reason of the decline of Harappan civilization. Number D, and the last second point, attack. You know the Aryans, who were Aryans. So they have, what happened? Some historians like Mortimer Wheeler believe that Aryans destroyed the Indus settlement. Aryan attacked the Harappan civilization and destroyed the Harappan Indus settlement or Harappan settlements. Okay. According to Mortimer Wheeler, in the last phase of the Mohenjo-daro, men, women, and children were massacred. In the last phase of Mohenjo-daro, of the city, the men, children, women were massacred. That means they were murdered. Okay, they were murdered in the streets and the houses, as is evident from the skeletons of 13 male and female and one child found lying in the room. What happened because of the massacre? It was the proof of that massacre was that 13 skeletons of males and females and one child found lying in the room. Okay, so this was the attack. The last point, it is not so important, but we will I'll explain a little bit of it. What happened? The decline of the physical aspects of the Harappan civilization did not lead to the total disappearance of all the traits of the civilization. Many of its features were found in the later cultural development. The Harappan way of making big pottery, bricks, beads, jewelry, textile, etc. was adopted by the later civilization. Okay. One of the most remarkable achievements of the Harappan people was the cultivation of cotton, which was adopted by the Egyptian after several centuries. So here till here I will explain what happened. Harappan way of making baked pottery, bricks, beads, jewelry, textile, etc. and many more were adopted by the later civilization. And the remarkable achievement of the Harappan people was the cultivation of cotton. They were हम लोग कहते हैं ना कि माहिर थे कल्टीवेशन ऑफ कॉटन के लिए, तो उसको भी अडॉप्ट कर लिया गया किसके द्वारा? इजिप्शियन द्वारा आफ्टर सेवरल सेंचुरीज. So by this thing we come to the end of the chapter. So I hope that what I explained you understood. Now let's quickly revise what we have learned in the whole chapter according to the scope. Now from the starting we started from the civilization. What is civilization? As it is not in the scope, but a basic knowledge of civilization I gave you. After that we came to the sources: Great Bath, Citadel, Seals, bearded man, Danzical, script, etc. Extent of civilization, urban planning, features of urban planning, and the last but not the least, it was the decline of the civilization. So till then, bye bye.